sick of running about after the car getting in.
I've got the easy job to do.
Are you happy with how the build come out, Michael?
I am, yeah. It's fantastic and it looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What a cool little truck.
It's a noise that you'd never get sick of.
You'll never get bored of driving it, would you?
No, no.
It's pretty hard to drive sensibly as well.
Tell you what, should we go and have a closer look?
Yeah, let's have a walk around it, eh?
Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
And welcome to a very windy Teesside. The strap's hitting the camera as well, so yeah, God knows what the sound quality this is going to be like. But one quality thing that we have got right behind us is this Chevrolet C10 Short Bed from 1985, recently imported by Bill Ingham's, and we're going to put some overlays of what this looked like when it first come in, because Michael has spent the best part of a couple of weeks now getting this to looking exactly as it does now.
Yeah, it's turned out pretty well, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's come on a lot. It looks the part now, like goes the part and it looks the part.
It sure does, yeah. We've had a little tickle out in it there and it drives like an absolute dream. Michael's right foot is absolutely loving life, and so is the camera sound as well, because yeah, it really is an absolute phenomenal truck. Michael, what have you done to it in short, and how have you got it looking as good as it is?
Yeah, so I mean, when it come in, when Neil imported it, it already had the LS Powerplant in it. But it was just a tired looking thing. It had been rattle canned over, just sat in black, but it was all chipped and peeling off, and it just looked a bit tired. The windscreen was cracked, the bed wasn't bolted down, you know, it was just unfinished. It had nasty bumpers on the back, just, yeah, a nasty set of wheels with the wrong size tyre.
Yeah.
It just wanted finishing, you know, it was a project, so we jumped straight on it, pulled it apart, lifted the bed off, tidied it all up, just rubbed it down and give it a fresh coat of this like satin metallic grey colour, and it really turned out well.
Yeah.
We fitted it up with everything's brand new chrome trim, mirrors, what have you, and then by accident, and this was by accident actually, we had it booked in for an MOT and we were waiting on a set of tyres for some wheels that we were going to put on this, but the tyres never turned up, so we said, why don't we put Neil's? Neil had these wheels, he's had them out the back in the store. Why don't we put them on it? He said, you can't put them on that. I said, oh, well, let's just put them on, just so we can go for its MOT. And as soon as we put them on, we were like, you'd think we bought them wheels for that truck. Just the colours and everything, it just ties in, and it just looks fantastic, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It's easy to see how nice it looks, and it sits real well. They sit inside the arches nice. They don't look too tall. Everything about them wheels is just perfect for it. Like Michael said, the colour as well. So
accidentally you've got Neil's wheels on it, but we can't take them off because it looks so good.
So there you go. We did promise burnouts, which you got in the first 10 seconds of the video, and we've come to this nice spot, get some nice photos under the iconic Transporter Bridge. Iconic, I called it there, Michael. And now we're going to tickle it back to Bill Ingham's, where we're going to tell you that this thing is for sale.
It is for sale, yeah. So if you like what you see, please get in touch with Neil at Bill Ingham's, or even get in touch with me, myself or Dale. Yeah. We'll put you on to Neil. Like I say, you can jump in this and use it every day. It's so usable, so usable. And the right time of year, because the shows are starting as well.
Yeah, exactly that. So yeah. Right, Mike, I think we'll wrap up here. We'll get back to Bill Ingham's, and then yeah, we'll say our goodbyes.
Yeah, spot on, mate.
Awesome. Well, what an afternoon that's been, Michael.
Yeah, pretty enjoyable, wasn't it?
Really enjoyable. Taking this LS powered C10 out for a spin has been absolutely fantastic. We've had the weather on our side. The wind wasn't, so hopefully the audio was bearable there. But if you've stuck around till now, we just want to say thanks to Neil for giving us the opportunity to get the C10 out and take it out. Really enjoyed that.
Definitely, yeah. like I say, a good afternoon there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I say, if you are in the market for the C10 pickup truck, bit of a street trip for him, definitely. It's from, I think it's about 375 brake, wheel horsepower, sorry, so it doesn't hang around.
Yeah, it definitely feels like that as well. Cause,
yeah, it's responsive, isn't it?
Really responsive, yeah.
I mean, obviously on these wheels and tyres, it does just spin them up a little bit
Yeah,
on the dusty roads as well. You know.
It's in show mode at the minute.
Show mode at the minute. It wants some radials on the back and wants to be took down the track, doesn't it? Really.
Yeah, it definitely does. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video and you do like the Spotted Motors sort of feel, get involved, get subscribed, and get this channel growing. It means a lot to me and Michael. We put a lot of time and effort into this, but we absolutely love it as well.
Yeah, we're loving it now. We are.
Get in the backlog of the videos. There's plenty there. We're really diverse. We've got a bit of everything going on. So yeah, get involved, get subscribed, and yeah, that's all I've got to say about that. Enough plugging Spotted Motors. Also, Neil at Bill Ingham's gets a load of American stuff through, doesn't he? So,
oh yeah, absolutely.
If this goes before you actually watch the video, then don't worry about it. There's always stuff flying through the door.
Yeah, there's plenty of pickup trucks, vans, cars, whatever you name it. It's American when it comes over.
Yeah, it sure does. So Michael, should we wrap up and get on?
Yeah, let's stop waffling on and get on.
Awesome. And as always, that just leaves us to say,
thanks very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors.
Can we give each other 5 over this big long bonnet?
Can't reach.